Now, my dear students, last class we already have gone through the lesson that is called the past continuous tense. All of you already well known about the past continuous tense. Now, we should know about the formal and informal speech. What is the formal speech? Formal speech है क्या? Whenever you are speaking with your teacher, with your headmaster, with your elders, then you can use formal speech. Formal speech is that you should make the sentence construction well according to the grammar. Again, informal speech means broken speech. As you are talking with your relative, with your family member and friend, you can call your friend, "Hi, come here, I am here." You can say loud, but you can't say your principal or your teacher, "Hi, sir." No, it is not. It is indecent. So that, remember one thing, whenever you are speaking broken English, that is informal way, you can express a lot of things. Where you go, here is no grammar, nothing. Where you go? To market. It is easy to explain. But whenever you are speaking to your educated elders, where are you going? Where are you going? Because why? Because you use the complete grammatical sentence. There is two things you have to be remember. One is the grammatical sentence and logical sentence. What is the difference between grammatical sentence and logical sentence? वो क्या चीज़ है? Grammatical sentence and logical sentence. Remember, every grammatical sentence is not a logical sentence, but all the logical sentence is the grammatical sentence. How is this? Grammatical sentence takes the construction well according to the grammar. Suppose we know that subject plus verb plus object, it is a grammatical one. It is a grammatical one. Here is this: I, verb 2, I went to market. I went to market. I went to market. It is the grammatical construction. Grammatical, इसमें कोई गलती है? No. Subject, verb अपनी जगह पर, object अपनी जगह. ये grammatical है and logical है. मगर देखो फिर grammatical sentence. तुम्हारा नाम Fatma is a boy. Is a boy. Is a boy. Is a boy. It is the grammatical sentence. Fatma is the subject, verb, object. It is grammatical sentence, but it is not a logical sentence. ये logical sentence नहीं है. Fatma is a girl. ये लॉजिकल होगा. दैट मीन्स ग्रामेटिकल सेंटेंस में भी रॉन्ग, बट लॉजिकल सेंटेंस नेवर बी रॉन्ग. इट विल बी इन ग्रामर टू. जितना लॉजिकल सेंटेंस होगा ग्रामर होगा. सपोज ऑल क्रोज आर ब्लैक. ऑल क्रोज आर ब्लैक, ये है ग्रामेटिकल सेंटेंस बट नॉट लॉजिकल सेंटेंस. ये लॉजिकल सेंटेंस नहीं है. सम क्रोज आर ब्लैक, कुछ कौवे काले हैं. ये लॉजिकल भी है, ग्रामेटिकल भी है. बिकॉज इन अमेरिका, इन ब्रिटेन, इन कनाडा द क्रोज आर वाइट. इसलिए हमने पूरे सब को देखकर लॉजिक कायम किया कि सम क्रोज आर ब्लैक. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड टू थिंग्स ना, फॉर्मल, इनफॉर्मल, लॉजिकल एंड ग्रामेटिकल. ओके, इट विल बी कीप इन योर ब्रेन. नाउ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. पास्ट परफेक्ट. एक्शन ऑफ द एजेंट. एक्शन ऑफ द एजेंट, किसी का एक्शन जो है वो पास्ट में बहुत पहले हो चुका था, बहुत पहले हो गया था. आई हैड गॉन टू दिल्ली. दैट मीन्स मैं दिल्ली बहुत पहले गई थी. बहुत पहले गई थी, नॉट नाउ. ये पास्ट इंडिफिनिट मतलब मैं गई थी, गई अभी. टीचर केम, ही टॉट, ये पास्ट इंडिफिनिट है. आई लिसन्ड टू हिम, ये पास्ट इंडिफिनिट है. आई एम लिसनिंग ये पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस है, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस है. आई वॉज लिसनिंग, पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस. दैट मीन्स इट विल बी सेट इन योर माइंड. If it will not set in your mind, then you cannot speak out quickly. Remember here, subject plus had plus verb third plus object. All subject, any, I, we, you, he, she, boys, all will take had. क्या लेगा? Had plus verb third. I had seen the Taj Mahal. That means a long past. हम बहुत पहले ताजमहल देखे थे. I have seen verb third है. Now she saw seen. Keep kept. Sing sang sung. Take took taken. Write wrote written. यहाँ पर written का मामला आएगा. मैं खत लिख चुकी थी. अगर I had seen, अच्छा, I had seen the Taj Mahal. I have seen the Taj Mahal. It is the, here is the scene. She saw scene. It is the, okay. Here is this. All subject will take the scene. मैं खत लिख चुकी थी. I had written a letter. मैं पहुंच चुकी थी. I had reached. ट्रेन वक्त पर पहुंच चुका था. Had reached on time or in time. Okay, now here is this. It is the affirmative sentence or the affirmative sentence, or the negative is not difficult for you. Negative is the subject plus had plus not plus verb third plus object. How is this? Again, इसमें सिर्फ क्या होगा? नॉट का इस्तेमाल होगा. I had not seen, I had not gone, I had not played, I had not talked with him, I had not taught him. मैंने उसको नहीं पढ़ाया. Do you understand? Sign, understanding. Higher, interrogative. Here is this interrogative. That means had is first used. Had. क्या तुम उसको देखी थी? Had you seen? क्या तुम खाई थी, वहां गई थी? Had you eaten? This is the had you eaten. All the subject, all the subject यहाँ पर subject plus verb third plus object. Question marks must be. Again, whenever we use WH, who, which, then first who, which, then the had, then verb third.
Sir, negative subject plus had.
Not plus verb third. Now I would like to ask you some questions in Hindi. You have to be translate into English. English में translate. Who is ready to come? Yes, she is. You are also. Anyone? Say new girl. You also come. Come here. The sentence which I asked you, she will make in the affirmative sentence. Affirmative means in this role. Again, you will make into the negative. This sentence, whatever she will say, then you will make it interrogative. Okay? Very fine. Now, मैं खत लिख चुका था.
I had
written a letter. Negative.
I
had not written a letter.
Had I written a letter?
Very fine. वो पहुंच चुका था.
He had reached.
Negative. He had not reached.
Had he
reached. लड़के खेल चुके थे.
Boys had
played.
Boys had
not played.
Had boys played?
मरीज मर चुका था.
The patient had
died. The patient had not died.
Had the patient died?
Very fine. शिक्षक पढ़ा चुके थे?
The teachers had taught.
The teachers had not taught.
क्या शिक्षक पढ़ा चुके थे?
The teacher taught.
वेरी फाइन. नाउ यू कम टू द होल साइड हियर. यहाँ होल साइड भाव, इधर होल साइड भाव. नाउ एकदम इधर मेरे पास भाव. नाउ ऑल दीज 3 girls very slowly they answer it, but there is a fear in them. This is killing you. ये चीज़ जो है fear always kills you. You should ride over the fear. आप खड़ी होइए confidently, एकदम confidently, and you answer it step by step. Okay, thanks. You both go away. You stand here. मैं ताजमहल देखी थी.
I had seen the Taj Mahal.
मैं ताजमहल नहीं देखी थी.
I had not seen the Taj Mahal.
क्या तुम ताजमहल देखे थे?
Did you
Had.
had you seen the Taj Mahal?
तुम कब ताजमहल देखे थे?
When had you seen the Taj Mahal?
तुम ताजमहल कहाँ देखे थे?
Where had you seen the Taj Mahal?
नाउ क्या शिक्षक अंग्रेजी पढ़ाए थे?
Had the teacher taught English?
कब शिक्षक अंग्रेजी पढ़ाए थे?
When had the teacher taught English?
क्यों टीचर इंग्लिश पढ़ाए थे?
Why had the teacher taught English?
Why had the teacher taught English? Now this girl, I think she know the construction well. Only for this she is giving the answer straightforward. You should learn such ways that it is not coming to him one day आया है तुम्हारे दिमाग में. No, from a long practice she has got. She and this girl also a long practice का बात है. Okay, you come here. Very very fine. This girl, you clap for this girl. तुम लोग clap करो, हम लोग भी सीख जाए. Now this class is already over.